Did you know that reheating the wrong foods could actually put your health at risk, while others become even more nourishing the second time around? For so many of us, sharing meals and leftovers is about more than just food. It's memories, comfort, and love, especially as we grow older. So let's dive into 3 foods you should never reheat, and 3 you absolutely can because your health and happiness matter every single day. First, let's talk about the ones to avoid. Number 1, eggs. Cooked eggs, whether scrambled or boiled, can develop harmful compounds when reheated, especially in the microwave. That can upset your stomach and even make you sick. Number 2, rice. Surprised? Leftover rice can harbor a bacteria called Bacillus cereus. If rice is left out at room temperature, even for just a short while, reheating it could cause food poisoning. And number 3, leafy greens, like spinach or kale. When you reheat these, especially in the microwave, they can release nitrates, which our bodies don't process well. This is even more important for seniors because our digestive systems are more sensitive as we age. But it's not all gloomy news. Let's talk about the good stuff. There are foods that are actually better when you reheat them. First up, soups and stews. The flavors blend together overnight, making them richer and tastier. And because you bring them to a steady boil, you also kill off any pesky bacteria. Second, casseroles. Whether it's grandma's lasagna or a hearty baked dish, casseroles hold up beautifully when reheated, keeping their flavor and nutrition intact. And number 3, cooked grains like quinoa or barley. These can be safely reheated, and the fiber is actually easier for our bodies to digest the second time around. So next time you're looking at leftovers, remember some foods are best enjoyed fresh, while others become a warm hug all over again. Your health is precious, and what you eat matters today, tomorrow, and for all the memories still to come. If you found these tips helpful, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which foods do you love reheating the most? And which ones will you avoid from now on? Take care of yourself, and keep savoring life. One